Hello friends, welcome to our channel Lakshmi's Information Technology. Today we are discussing about web designing. What is web designing and common web designing languages? Let's get started. What is web designing? Designing the web pages. Web pages means whatever you are browsing in the internet, it is playing like an pages. You can search anything on your browser, it will getting some information. Everything is under uh, web pages. They will design using some different languages. In this session we are discussing about commonly web designing languages. There are most common languages and how they are used. Okay, here HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JQuery, PHP, ASP.NET, and etc. um, what about database? What is the use of database? If you are creating a static database, you can create a static web pages. No need for database. If you are creating any um, form types of web designing web pages, contact us page, or else insert some data, registration, login, you can use those forms. You can store data from somewhere, so you can use databases like SQL Server, Oracle, Postgre, etc. You can use whatever you need. What type of database you need, you can just use the database. Coming to designing softwares. What is designing softwares? If you're creating a web pages, you need design. Means if you uh, images, logos, or you can put animated videos or YouTube videos, whatever you need, you can using those softwares like Photoshop, 2D, 3D animation, whatever you need, you just use that softwares. Or else you can create a sample static web page. You just need only HTMLs and CSS. If you are giving for a response of your page using Bootstrap to your applications, means it will give a response to your page. I will show you how to give a response to your page and normal page, how to create using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And jQuery is nothing but it's a validating a form or giving some any animated, means um, it's nothing but it's whatever action, you just click on a button, it will happen some motions, you can use that. Next, uh, in this session we are discussing about HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and jQuery. Okay, coming to HTML. What is HTML? Its abbreviation is Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML contains tells the browser how to display the content. Elements are represented by a tags. Tags is nothing but it's commonly English language. For example, if you are you can call it as a paragraph, but here you can give like paragraph. Okay, you can give paragraph tag like this. When you are giving here is the pairs of a tag, means when you are creating open tag and it must should be close tag, you need it will need. This is the syntax for paragraph. Simply in English we call it as a headlines, headings, right? So here we can give simply heading. In HTML there are six header tags is there, means your text highlighting in six ways. That is simply H1, open and close tags. H1 as simply like a H2, H3, H2, comma H3, comma H4, comma H5, comma h6. I will show you once or discussion is completed. So you have to know basics. Once it will done, I will show you how to design a page and how to run an application, how to give a response of your page, and everything we will discussing on. Once it will done, we will discussing on this. Okay, next, browser cannot displaying the html tags. It's that means you are giving for a here paragraph tag or a header tag or bold at different tags in htmls, but you are giving for an html tags. Without giving an html tags also it will run. Just I will show you here. But use rendering the page content, it will rendering the page content. Means you are giving for a p tag, you are giving for a header tag. No need to show like a tags, it's just showing like a content. Page content will be showing. Next, now a syntax of html. What is the syntax? Syntax is nothing but a flow. Here is the doc type html. uh, Here is the html tag. Header is nothing but um, element contains meta information about your document. And title, if you are giving for a title, that will be showing like a title of the document, that will be showing. I will show you. Okay, header, here is the open tag, and this is the closing tag. Here is the title tag is open, here is close tag is. And body, whatever you are writing, means body content, visible page content, it will be right on or body tag. Okay. Whatever you are writing, that will showing like this. Okay. Coming, I will explain what explain example. I will explain doc uh, doc type html. Doc type is nothing but declaration defines this document to this to to be in html5. Okay, html is the root element of your html tag. HTML page head element contains meta information about your document, and title specifies a title for the document, and body visible page content. And I already told you the h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, those are header tags, and p is nothing but a paragraph tag. Now HTML tags normally comes in a pair tags. We are already discussed this. Means when you are giving for a paragraph tag, then it automatically ends like a slash. Start tag, and this is called this is the start tag, and this is the end tag, and forward slash inserted before the tag name. Okay, also called open tag and close tag. Okay, now what are the softwares we will use for um, web development? Okay, you can use notepad, notepad plus plus, sublime text, visual studio code, visual studio, or edit plus, etc. You can use any of those um, softwares you can use. I will show you two or three of the software. Okay, process. First, you need to open your notepad. Here we are all giving for a software. So here is the first one is notepad. So open the notepad. First, we need to open. You have to know extensions of your page. If you are creating an HTML page, you can give extension .html or .htm. For you are creating a CSS file .cs, you can give the extension. If you are creating a JavaScript, just .js, that is a JavaScript extension. Okay, and finally PHP. If you are creating a PHP page .php, etc. Okay, basics. All HTML tags must be starts with the document type declaration, and document itself begins with the HTML and start tag and end tag. Okay, visible part of the HTML document between the body. We are we just know the 3 points of your you have to know. You can design any website or anything you can design. Okay, as for your mind, not only for listening this, you have to practice on this. You can definitely achieve a good thing. Okay, practice is main thing to know more knowledge about that. Okay, if you have any doubts on this session, you just ping me on a comment. Okay, next, coming to click to add title. Sorry. Now we're discussing about all the tags. First of all, we need to open a notepad. Okay, for creating a sample application. Notepad, and we're already I already explained this one example to you, this one. So simply copy this one, copy and paste it out on here. Okay, you can save. I already told you, that is, you can save like a, it is a HTML, simply save as .html. Now I save this um, sample demo, so uh, save it as djav html. Now give some name, sample dot html. Now click on save. Now our application is completed for sample demo. Click on this. Here is our sample.html. You can change the browser. Simply right click on this, select open with. You can select any of this, means Firefox or Chrome or Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, whatever you need, just click on that. Now I'm not changing anything, simply open with Chrome, double click on this. Okay, this is the heading one and this is the paragraph. Here in body you are giving heading 1 and paragraph 1. So this is our page content, and here is the page title that is showing from here. That is the page title only. Page title you can change anything, means sample page. Save this one and refresh this. This is our sample page. Okay, this is our application. You can give, instead of this icon, you can give a fav icon. You can simply select your logo. You can go to browser and it will change into fav icon. From online editors is there for converting image into fav icon. Okay, now our sample application is completed. Next, continue with the tags. We are discussing about all the tags and how to use those tags. We are discussing on this. Okay, first, HTML headings. Headings we are already discussed here. H1, H2 or the 6 tags for 6 headings. Simply here you can write 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, this is our first tag. HTML headings. Just simply see the output. Refresh the page and see this. This is the header tag 1, header tag 2, header tag 3, 4, 5 and 6. Coming to our next tag, that is paragraph. We are already discussed on paragraph tag. So coming to next tag is a link tag. Link tag is nothing but a href. You can give any link on this. You can means href is nothing but reference hypertext references. You can use a tag, alternate alternate text, width, height. You can set anything on this. This is our a tag. In this a tag, this is the link. Okay, in a tag many cases you can use. Simply open this. This is the a tag, and with a tag, and you can write a tag. In multiple ways you can use a tag. I will show you 3 or 4 examples. For a tag href, you can give reference of your application, and a link, http link, or you can use href of mail to. You can give not only our http link, you can give your another page. You can share your um, link of your applications. I will show you that one also. Mail to lakshmi@gmail.com. Okay, and a tag href equal to, simply write your application, means this is our application location. Simply write that one. Present page, means it will be redirecting to same page. A tag, and you can give parent equal to blank. This is the mail. Okay, now I run this application. Simply refresh this. This is our mail. This is the link. This is the mail. You can click on this. If you click on this, you can open your mail. Means here mail communicate quickly and focus what's important. Means you can write your email of your company mail or anything. You can write using mail tag, and present you can display in one by one. Simply write br tag, means break tag. Okay. Okay, simply open your mail. If you click on a mail, it automatically mails, and to whatever you are giving from a mail, send mail to, that is displaying from here. Okay, you can write any subject and you can write the body of your mail, and simply click on send. It will be send mail to your means um to means whatever you are giving for a mail server, means person, it will send that mail. And present page, if you click on this present page, it reload our present page on current page only. Okay, this is the link, just wait. See, this is our application. Here I'm giving for an https url, Google, Yahoo, Facebook, Bing, and YouTube. Simply click on this YouTube. YouTube will open www.youtube.com. Simply click on back. And Facebook, if you click on this, Facebook page will, login page will be open. Same way you can click on Yahoo site will be open. Okay, coming to our next tag is images. If you are uh, giving for an image tag, image src is nothing but source source file, means if you have an image, no need, don't give me a url in d drive tag or something like this. Just simply give your image name dot jpg or something. So now I'm using one more software, because it will easy to drag and drop the controls and everything. Now I'm using visual studio, visual studio 2012. You can use in a notepad or note notepad also. You can give images, whatever tags you are giving here, same tags I'm using, I will give you. Okay, but here is the simple. Okay, click on file, same one I'm open from the software. Simply click on this. You can use Visual Studio Code also, or Sublime. Sublime also very easy. When you are typing the HTML tags, it automatically comes. Okay, this is only for my practice. I just open this. You can write on your notepad. Here is our example file. So open this one. Our next tag is image. So simply I need to download one image. So images for GP. I'll save this image in somewhere else. Here creating a new folder, that is images. Save this and simply now it will completed to download. So our next tag is image source. SRC is nothing but image source. Here simply refresh this. Here image folder is coming. So image you can simply uh, drag that image to your application. See this image src equal to image src image location. Here images folder and download.jpg. uh, don't give the location like D drive example something, don't give it like that only, because when your application is hosted in somewhere else, in D drive is nothing but it will searching for the which computer you are using, only that D drive it will be taking the image. If there is no image, it will show like symbol like image like that. I'll show you that one also. So just give like folder name and download.jpg or jpg or png or jpeg dot gif, whatever your application, you just um, give the extension of your image, and you can give 100% with alternate image, alternate text. Alternate is nothing but alternate text with height. I'm giving for those attributes. This is the image one dot com. Simply save this and go for this and refresh this. See this is our image, and here width is 104 pixels. Width is nothing but this x-axis, and height is 142. That is the height is nothing but y-axis. Okay, this is a simple image. Coming to our next tag, here button is nothing but if you are creating any buttons means any forms, you can give buttons like button. Simply write like this, and hr is nothing but horizontal line, and title attributes. um, in button you can give below attributes like alternate text, disabled, href is nothing but you already discussed in a tag, anchor tag. So you can give href from here also. You can give id, src is nothing but specified url, styles, title, whatever you need, you just um, give attributes like that only. If you are not giving a, if you are not mentioned also, no problem. This is the, you can give text submit. Simply save this, and now I run this application. See this is our button. If you click on, nothing will happen because we don't write anything on this. nothing will happen because you don't write any logic or something here. So we have to write one more example. Here is the button, on click means copy this line, simply paste it here. Means alert is nothing but a pop-up. When you click on a button, it will show you hello world message to you. Okay, this now simply run this up. Now using JavaScript is nothing but when you click on any button or anything, it will perform some action. Like you click on a button, it will show you like a window. Like here we are giving for an alert. So simply we are creating a function in JavaScript. So you must write the tags of a script inside a header tag. You can write means here or header tag. Simply click on this. Inside header tag you can write um, inside styles, inline, sorry, inner CSS files or JavaScript. You can write anything on your header tag. Okay, this is our function open window. Here google.com. Okay, simply call this on, paste it here, on click equal to. When you click on it, this click me button, then it will show you, it will open new window and it will connect to Google page, main page. Okay, okay, this is our application. Now simply run this application, refresh this page. See this is our button. Click on this, in new window google.com, it will open. Okay, now coming to our next tag is styles. Use the styles attribute in your styling HTML element. You can use background color, font family, font size, text align, left align, right align, center align, or justify the text. Or you can use lot of styles you can write on your web page. Look and feel what you need. You can write all the styles on style tag. Here style tags are three types. Okay, external CSS files, external CSS files, sorry, internal CSS files, external CSS files, and inline CSS files. What is the difference of these three CSS files? Internal files is nothing but you can write style tag to your application. Simply write style. Okay, no. You can write any attribute, like here is the heading, so you can write id equal to header. Okay, now I call this header. In CSS, if it is the id, you can give slash id slash header, open and close. see this is colors. You can give hexadecimal or RGB colors. Okay, I will give you one more trick too. That is the color picker. If you are getting if you pick any color from other website, simply select the color and click on this. You will get this code. Simply copy this and paste it here. Refresh this page. And now return back to this. Here this is the internet CSS. CSS is nothing but Cascade style sheet. External CSS. You can create one CS file. Same I will show you. Copy this. Create one more CSS class, that is a add folder, new folder CSS, and here um, add style sheet. This is the style sheet I'm giving. Simply click on this. Now CSS file is created. The extension is .css. Now our body is here. Now write this one. Header one. Now I copy this one. Simply header one. This is the ID of header one. ID equal to header one. Now I run this application. Sorry. Now you have to call that page in your application. So if you are using a notepad or notepad plus plus, you have to write the CSS path and everything using link tag. So I just drag here. That is the here is a CSS folder, and this is our CS file, and REL reference is nothing but style sheet. Now I save this application. Now our refresh this application. See this is our output. This is the external style sheet. Now inline style sheet, inline CSS. Inline is nothing but it's called as an inline. Means within the line you have to write any styles. So I copy this one, copy this, and simply you can give here. Now you have to write style equal to here is the attribute style, and copy paste all the things. Now save and run this application. See this out. This is the um, internal CSS file, and second one is the external CSS file, and this is the inline CSS. Means inline, within the line you have to write the styles here. Next, go for next one. Okay. Now formatting the elements. Formatting is nothing but bold, strong, italic, emphasis, text, mark, small, delete, insert, substring, superscript text. Okay. Now you can use all the things. Just simply copy this, and now I paste it here. 3 delete text and text mark. Now those are the tags we are using. Now simply save and run this application. Now see this is the bold text. Bold is nothing but highlighted the text. Important text, italic is nothing but slightly text will be showing like this. And this is the emphasized text, and this is the marker text, and this is the small text. And delete is not, delete is nothing but completely not deleted, just it's like the middle of the letters. Okay, insert text, you can underline the insert text. Subscript is nothing but within the text down it will coming. Superscript is nothing but within the text upper to the header, like superscript like x square we are using. We can use this superscript text. Okay, now this is our formatting elements. Coming to next one, here abbreviation, the next address, and bidirectional override and block quote. Site q is nothing but single quotes. You can try those. Okay, now b bidirection override, we are using tag is used for override the current text directions from left to right or right to left, specifies the text decoration. Now simply copy this one and copy here and simply paste it here. Now save this application, run this application. Now you will get hello world. Now coming to our next tag, comment tag. Comment tag means you know, no need for any tags or something. You just simply comment this, like the pen tag and exclamatory mark minus minus. Simply you have a shortcut, I will tell you. Select this, Control K, Control C. It will automatically comment it. Or else you can simply select this, Control slash. No. Okay, now coming to our tag colors. Now finally this is the color we are already explained on that. Here colors, many colors you can give, like RGB, red, green, blue. You can give, you can here 255 colors, 255 red and green 255 and blue 255. You can give range of each and every color, or else you can use color code like this, hexa, HCl, RGBA, HSALA values you can give. Okay, styles already we are discussing. Inline styles, external styles, internal styles, and external styles. Here inline is nothing but using the attribute in HTML tags by using styles element in the head section, already discussed on this. And externally by using external CSS, means we are already created in the CSS file and we have to write CSS. Next, coming to the all tags, comments is completed, anchor tag is completed. Now anchor tag we can give href, reference link, means URL you can pass. Target is nothing but blank or parent or self or top frame name. You can give any of this. Means within the page it will open, or a new page will open. You are giving for the blank, it will be open from the next to our next browser. Okay, self top, you can try this. Now anchor tag, if you are now coming to CSS. In anchor tag, if you are in hover, and if you are clicked, what will happen? You can write the CSS styles. Simply copy this. Paste it from here. Now I run this application. When I click on this, it will getting like a red color. Means when I hover, means when you click on a or visit, you can color will change like a red, and text decoration underline and cursor is auto. And when you click on where the link is on active or visited, the color is yellow. Okay, next coming to abbreviation is nothing but abbr tag we are using here. Simply copy this. Means hypertext, copy this. And now I paste it from here. Now I run the application. When you hover on the text, it will show you hypertext markup language. That is the abbreviation of the HTML. Means abbreviation tag we are using on that. And yes, now headrest tag, you can use headrest tag of your, like if you are creating any website, at the footer you can give address of your company details. So simply copy this, copy, simply paste. Now replace this place. See this, this is the written by P. Lakshmi, visited at example.com, Visakhapatnam, India. Here is the that is the address it will be displaying. At the same time, video, if you can give video, you can add videos. Simply write this on your video session. See this output. Okay, you can run, you can sound increase or decrease, full screen or properties, you can download or pictures in it. Okay, you can write one more video. Refresh this page, and this is the you can download your image, you can download your video. You can just pass the src. This is mp4 video, mp4 and video org formats. Simply give both the source same name .mp4 and the org ogg. Okay, now save and coming to our next audio. Copy this and audio. Now break horse.org. When browser is not supported, it will show like your browser does not support the audio tag. Okay, simply save this and run this application. Now your browser does not support the tag. What's going on? Now I will run this application. This is our audio file because I'm not giving proper URL from here, so it's not getting. So now I was giving the URL. Now I play this. This is the audio file. Now embedded is nothing but you can give any HTML tag from your one embedded tag, or you can give image or anything. It will use like embedded. Now I pasted here, pasted from here. Now see the output. JPG images.jpg. Images.jpg. Now I run this application. Um, Embedded. So open this and see this is the embedded. The page is not there, so it will showing like this. Server slash example application is not there. Within the page also you can give, we can copy this, copy and paste it from here. This one, simply refresh this. See this is our page for um, BR. Okay. You can use object. Now bidirectional isolation, bidirectional override means specifies the text in left to right, right to left. You can use this attribute and the values. Coming to next one, paragraph, we already discussed on that. And bidirection is copy this and write it here and run this application. We'll see what exactly left to right and right to left means whatever text you are giving, that will be reverse order, it will be displaying like this. Okay. Okay, if in right to left, this is the right to left, left to right is nothing but as this text is coming. Now big, you can write anything from here. Okay, close the tab and save this and this application. You will see the output of this. All are coming from big letters, means it will showing like a big, means bold. Just highlight the text. Now you can write paragraph dot ex2 means dot is nothing but a class. In p tag contains exe2. The font size is 50. You can write like this. Block quote means inverted commas. You can write block quotes body. Okay. Simply save and run this application series. Now we already discussed about this is a section that quoted from another source. Okay, body is nothing but we already discussed on documents body, and break the line button you already know. Canvas is nothing but nothing but used to draw a graphics on fly via scripting or usual JavaScript. Okay, I'm creating a canvas. ID is canvas and script is nothing but I will show you this. Now this is my id and canvas. I'm writing the script. You can write many script tags on your application within the header tag, or you can write inside body also. You can write multiple script tags, multiple scripts on your page you can use. And now our next tag is caption. The caption tag defines as a table caption. The caption tag must be inserted immediately after the table tag. Here is the table tag and this is the caption. That is monthly savings, and here you can TR is nothing, table is nothing but a name itself as a table. So you can use table. In the table, uh, what it contains, number of rows, table definition, everything is there. As for English, whatever the words we are pronouncing, so simply like here using table, and table row is nothing but here tr tag, and table header. Header is nothing but if you take one example, that is the student number, name, and everything. That is the one table. It contains headings, and the next what it happened. It's the definition means when a person name is some Lakshmi, and its serial number is 1, and is currently working. Whatever you are giving, you can give simply like this table, copy this and paste it from here and simply run this. Now you will see monthly savings. This is the caption of your table. What's going on here? Monthly savings, the block quotes. Now GR closing, and see this. This is the monthly savings is the caption, and name itself it's a month savings. It's January, $100 is saving. Now you will see this is the table caption, and this is the table row headings, and this is the definitions. So you can give table border equal to 1. Now see what will happen. This is the border, this is the header, and this is the, you can give width equal to width width equal to 100%. This this entire table will showing like this. Okay, this is from aligning center, and this is from 100%. You can write only for a table row for a TD. You can simply give here as a 20, not 100. If you need 100, you can have multiple rows. You definitely give 100%. Instead of that, no need to give that. Okay, here is the width, and you can write like this, and th here also one row you are giving, so second row no need to give. Simply refresh it. Here is 20 percentage. Because of 20 it will take pixels. You're giving percentage is nothing but entire page it will be dividing into 100%. It automatically give. Okay, this is 20% is nothing but center page is 100% width. So you can calculate of your page. It's 20% I'm giving. For a month it's 20%, saving it's 20%, so 40%. Now a table tag is completed. Now coming to our this wait site. Site is nothing but a center. You can align any text in center. You can use center tag or alignment center. You already discussed on that. So you can give center text is hello and simply close the center tag. Now it's completed. To refresh on this, hello is coming from the center aligned. Now go to next one is site. Defines the title of your work. You can give title like title is means you can practice on that. And code, it's a page tag that defines piece of computer code. Means if I select the code, copy this and write something from ABC and tag close. Now run this application. ABC is coming. Already emphasize text we already know. Strong is no, code is no, sample output from computer program is done, and KDB defines keyboard inputs. You can write KBD or where defines a variable you know already. Context and KBG. It's simply showing like a text only. Yeah. Now this all above tags you can see like this, and this is the output. Simply copy paste and run this application. It's looking like this. This is the fonts of different sizes of fonts. Now coming to next step. Sorry. Call and call group. Call is nothing but a column, and call group is nothing but it's a group of columns. Itself, the name itself has a call group. The call tag specifies as column properties for each column within a call group element. A call tag is used to applying for styles to entire columns instead of repeating the styles for each cell or a row. Each row. Simply copy this